Today I am reviewing the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 Electric Toothbrush. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hello everyone. If you are looking to upgrade your oral hygiene routine and want to know if the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 is worth your hard-earned money, you have come to the right place. We all know that standard manual toothbrushes just don't cut it anymore. But with so many electric options on the market, it is hard to separate marketing hype from actual performance. Today, we are diving deep into the features, the real-world performance, and the overall experience of using this flagship sonic toothbrush from Philips. Right out of the box, the DiamondClean Smart 9500 demands attention. I have been using the sleek, matte black model, designated as model HX9923/11. And it looks incredibly premium on the bathroom counter. It doesn't look like a clinical medical device. It looks like a piece of high-end tech. The seamless buttons feel tactile, and the handle has a comfortable, ergonomic weight to it that gives you total control while brushing. But a premium price tag means we expect premium accessories, and Philips definitely delivers here. The first major accessory is the premium charging glass. This is one of the coolest features. Instead of a clunky plastic dock, you get a sleek glass tumbler that sits on a chrome base. To charge the toothbrush, you literally just drop it into the glass. It looks elegant, and the glass doubles as a rinsing cup. Along with the glass, you get the USB charging travel case. For frequent travelers, this is a game changer. The case is wrapped in a beautiful leather-like fabric, and it has an integrated USB cable hidden neatly in the bottom. You can plug it directly into your laptop, a wall adapter, or a power bank. Now, let's talk about performance, because that is where this toothbrush truly shines. The DiamondClean Smart 9500 features Philips' signature sonic technology, pushing out up to 62,000 bristle movements per minute. If you have never used a high-end sonic toothbrush before, the sensation can be a bit surprising at first. It feels like a micro-massage for your teeth and gums. But that high frequency serves a vital purpose. It creates what Philips calls Sonicare fluid action. This dynamic fluid action forces water and toothpaste deep between your teeth and along your gum line. It cleans the tight spaces that normal manual bristles could never dream of reaching. According to Philips, when paired with the included A3 Premium all-in-one brush head, this machine can remove up to 2,000% more plaque than a manual toothbrush. It is also rated to deliver up to 1,500% healthier gums in just 6 weeks and up to 100% stain removal. Honestly, those percentages sound like wild marketing numbers, but the proof is in the feeling. The very first time you finish a 2-minute cycle with this brush, your teeth feel incredibly smooth, almost polished. It mimics that just left the hygienist feeling perfectly. Everyone's mouth is different, and the 9500 accommodates that by offering an impressive 15 different brushing settings. This is broken down into 5 distinct modes and 3 intensity levels, which are low, medium, and high. The 5 modes give you total control over your routine. First is clean mode, which is your standard, go-to mode for exceptional daily cleaning. Second is white plus, which is optimized for removing surface stains, making it perfect for coffee and tea drinkers. Third is gum health, which adds an extra, gentler minute of stimulation to massage and care for your gums. Fourth is deep clean plus, which provides an extended, high-intensity session that really digs into the hard-to-reach areas. Finally, there is tongue care, which is a specialized, low-intensity mode designed to clean your tongue and keep your breath fresh. What makes this system genuinely smart is that the brush heads have microchips inside them. The moment you click a brush head onto the handle, the toothbrush automatically recognizes it and selects the optimal mode and intensity. You don't have to guess. The brush does the thinking for you. One of the biggest mistakes people make when brushing their teeth is pressing too hard. Over time, aggressive brushing can erode your enamel and cause your gums to recede. The DiamondClean Smart 9500 solves this problem with its built-in pressure sensor. At the very base of the handle, there is a smart light ring. If you press down too hard while brushing, the light ring will gently flash to warn you, and the handle will alter its vibration pattern. It is an instant, intuitive reminder to ease off and let the sonic vibrations do the work for you. This feature alone is worth the upgrade for anyone with sensitive gums. Let's talk about the Smart in the product name. This toothbrush pairs seamlessly via Bluetooth with the Philips Sonicare app on your smartphone. When you open the app while brushing, it displays a three-dimensional mouth map that tracks your brushing in real time. It highlights the areas you are brushing well and shows you the spots you might be missing. If you tend to rush through your back molars or skip the inside surfaces of your teeth, the app will catch it and prompt you to go back for a touch-up at the end of your cycle. The app also acts as an oral health coach, tracking your historical data, giving you personalized tips, and letting you set goals, like whitening your teeth or improving gum health. Philips has also taken the guesswork out of maintenance. The toothbrush features a brush head replacement reminder. It tracks exactly how long you have been using a specific brush head and how much pressure you apply. When the bristles are worn down and it's time for a replacement, a small icon on the handle lights up. As for battery life, you won't have to worry about constantly charging it. A full charge gives you up to 14 days of regular brushing based on twice a day, 2 minutes per session. This makes it incredibly easy to take on short trips without even bringing the charging case. When you purchase the 9500 package, you get a comprehensive setup right inside the box. It includes the DiamondClean Smart 9500 handle, 1A3 Premium all-in-one brush head, 1C3 Premium plaque control brush head, the glass charger and base, and the USB charging travel case. To wrap things up, is the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 worth the premium price tag? If you are looking for a basic, budget-friendly toothbrush, this might be overkill. However, if you view your oral health as an investment, absolutely yes. The combination of 62,000 bristle movements, real-time app coaching, pressure protection, and unmatched aesthetics makes this one of the finest dental tools available on the market today. It takes the guesswork out of brushing, protects your gums, and leaves your teeth feeling spectacularly clean every single day. If you want the absolute best for your smile, the DiamondClean Smart 9500 is a phenomenal choice.